Okay, today we're going to solve a problem in relation to what we have discussed last time, which is the system of linear equation. So we have the problem here on the board. A farmer has two types of milk. One is 24% butter fat, and another is 18% butter fat. The question is, how much of each should he use to end up with 42 gallons of butter fat? Now, the first thing we need to do is we're going to visualize the problem. So, we have here, if we let X as the number of gallons of milk with 24% butter fat, and Y is the number of gallons of milk with 18% butter fat, then to illustrate, if this is 24% butter fat, a gallon with 18% butter fat, and this gallon is of 20% butter fat. Now, we don't know how many gallons of 24% butter fat, so we'll assign here as X. And 18% of butter fat, we don't know how many gallons, so we'll assign this as Y. But in this 20%, we knew based on the problem that there are 42 gallons of 20% butter fat. So if we are going to add, that will be X gallons of 24% butter fat plus Y gallons of 18% butter fat is equal to 42 gallons of 20% butter fat. This is the problem all about. So we come up with the first equation, which is X plus Y is equal to 42. Next, we are going to multiply X of 24% butter fat. So we'll have 0.24x, that is X gallons of 24% butter fat plus Y gallons, of 18% butter fat is equal to this one, that is 42 gallons of 20% butter fat. So this will be the base for our second equation. This will be the basis for our second equation. So we will have 0.24x plus 0.18y is equal to 8.4. This is our second equation, but to make more easier, I will make this equation as whole number. So I have to multiply this by 100. So 100 times 0.24 is 24x. 100 times 0.18y is 18y. 100 times 8.4 is 840. So this will be my equation 1. And this will be my equation 2. So I have here two equations, and now I can solve the system of linear equation. Okay. First equation is X plus Y is equal to 42. And second equation is 24x plus 18y is equal to 840. There are three methods in solving system of linear equation. Number one is graphing. Number two is elimination. Number three is substitution. But here in this case, I will be using elimination method. But before I can eliminate one of the two variables x or y, I will think of a number to be multiplied for equation 1. Now that I am going to eliminate y, I am going to multiply equation 1 by negative 18. Why? Because negative 18 times y is negative 18y plus 18y, then the y will be eliminated. Because negative 18 plus 18y is 0. So this becomes negative 18x minus 18y is equal to negative 18 times 42 is negative 756. I will copy second equation, so that will be 24x plus 18y is equal to 840. Okay? Negative 18 plus 24 is 6. So we have 6x. Negative 18y plus 18y is 0. So this will be eliminated. Negative 756 plus 840 is 84. Okay. Now, dividing both sides by 6, we have x is equal to 14. 84 divided by 6 is 14. And what is x? X is the number of gallons of milk with number of gallons of milk with 24% butter fat. Butter fat. Now let us going to solve for y. So we have our equation. X plus y is equal to 42. Now that we have the value of x, so we have 14 plus y is equal to 42. Then y is equal to, transpose 14 to the other side, it's 42 minus 14. And that is equal to 28. So, y is 28. 28 is there are 28 gallons of milk with 18% butter fat. Yeah. Now, if we're going to make a table, okay, for 24% butter fat, then for 18% butter fat, and for 20% butter fat. Based on the result, we have 14 gallons of 24% butter fat. And we have 28 gallons of 18% butter fat. All in all, there is 42 gallons of 20% butter fat. What is 24% of 24% of 14? 24% of 14. Solving 24 times 14. So we have 16, we have 5, then 8, then 2. So we have 6, 3, 1, 3. Right? So we have 3.36. Now, 28% of 18% of 28. So we have 4, 6, 16, 22, 8, 2. So we have 4, 0, 1, 5. So that is 5.04. Now, 3.36 plus 5.04 is equal to 8.4. 8.40. Take note, 8.40 is 20% of 42. That is why we need 14 gallons of 24% butter fat, 28 gallons of 18% butter fat, in order for us to end up 42 gallons of 20% butter fat. If we're going to solve 8.40 is the 20% of 42. So now we are done with the problem of how many gallons of 24% butter fat and how many gallons of 18% butter fat to end up 42 gallons of 20% butter fat. So that's it.